just like a hurricane. You lashed him with your winds, stung him with your hail. You left him never caring if he lived to tell the tale. With your experience, it should come as no surprise if in the small hours of the morning the eye of the hurricane cries. Oh, the phantoms, they are stalking, the wreckage in your dream. The howling of the wind forever echoes in their screams. But the turmoil that's within you makes you feel strangely alive. And despite this being the first time, you know you will survive. Though survival isn't everything, unless the soul inside you dies, so will the first time be the last time the eye of the hurricane cries. Oh, there's a place called retribution, where you think you sometimes hide, where the priest gives absolution for the guilt you feel inside. And you like to think you come and go, but your retribution's queen. You know you've never left there, and you know that he's never been. And your penance, like saccharin, cannot disguise how the tears of guilt taste bitter when the eye of the hurricane cries. And now the eyes in your reflection, they've turned from blue to green. This dangerous emotion is something unforeseen. And because by implication you have lost the fight, you hate yourself for wondering who he's with tonight. Oh, would he show understanding or contempt? You can't decide if he knew that tonight